Hello everyone, this is eLearn Academia and you're watching our YouTube channel. In this video you will learn to create this impressive water cylinder chart by using this data. So let's directly jump into it and open a new workbook to see how it builds. Alright guys, now we have opened up our new workbook where we have 6 columns: the tanks, fill section, empty section of cylinder, labels, caps and base the bottom. Okay, now let's enter our data over here in the percentage manner. 60, alright, 23%, 35%, 57%, 45%. Okay, the empty section, for empty we will subtract the fill numbers from 1. Control D. Set the labels to 30%, caps to 10 and base to 10 as well. Select all 3, press Ctrl D. There you go. Now let's create our chart. Select this whole area, go to insert and we will create a 3D stacked column chart. There we are. Bring it over here. Okay, first go to chart design and switch row column to make it look like this, and then the next thing we will do is to go to axis, the axis options. Alright, and before that you have to know that what is the total percentage for each section. The 150% for the whole cylinder for each tank. Alright, so go to axis options. There you are. Set the maximum to 1.5 and then set it again to 0. That looks good. Alright, that's fine. Now the next thing that we will do is to delete the chart title. We'll select this area, go to select data. Alright, we will arrange them to make it in a tank format shape. We will bring the base to the top, which represents the bottom, and then we have our label section second, and then fill, empty, and this one is the caps. Alright, that's good. Okay, now delete this axis section and delete these bottom labels. There we are, our chart is ready. Now the next thing is to add another sheet, name it to dashboard, go to view, remove the grid lines, then go to insert, illustrations, pictures, online pictures, and then select a cool background for our dashboard. That would be white sand beach that I chose. There you are. Select the alright, this one, that looks cool. Press insert. There we are. This is the picture that we have. Okay, extend it to right, extend the bottom as well. Okay, that looks cool. Select the chart, Control X, bring it to dashboard, press Control V, bring it over here. Now go to format chart, right click on it, format chart area. Okay, now no fill, no line, and you see there are minor lines appearing over here. Select them and press delete. Now they're removed. Okay, select the inner part of the chart, no fill, no line. That's good. Okay, make it to no fill, no line. That looks good. Select this area, and this is series option. In the format data series we will select the cylinder chart. There you are. Then go to this, right click on it, go to 3D rotation, set the X to 0 and then Y to 20%. There you are. Extend it a little bit. Okay, now right click on it, and in the format data series, in series options we will have the gap depth and the gap width. We will set the gap depth to 30% and gap width to 70%. There we are. That looks cool. Okay, close it down. Now let's color all these areas. First, select the gap section, right click on it, format data series, go to this one. We will use the gradient color. The first one would be the gray, like this. Alright, and the second one we will use the blue color. That looks good. We will set the angle to 180%. That's great. Okay, now select the second part. This is the empty section. We will choose the solid color, select the white color, set the transparency to around 60%. Here we are. Now select the fill section, again solid color, this one, and set the transparency to around 20%. Now let's change the colors for the label section and make it a solid, and then choose this gray color. Then for the last base section we will again use the gradient colors, set the angle to 90%. Then first color would be the white, yeah. Then second would be the blue. That's good. Alright, now we have our charts ready. Stand it a little bit, position it where you want. There you are. There you are. Okay, select the text in the bottom and make it a color blue, dark blue, bold it, increase its size. I think so, that looks good. Increase the size of the chart as per you like. Bring it here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, the next thing that we have to add the text in the label section. Go to insert, add text box like this, right click on it, format shape, select it to no fill, no line. Now for this we have to connect it with the percentage of the fill section. Go to formula bar, press equal, go to data, select it with fill C3. There you are. Next thing we will do is to bring it over the cylinder. Press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, paste it for distilled water, for purified water, and the second last mineral water, and then the last line. Now let's connect each of them with their respective data. Now this represents the tap water. We will change the row to C4. Now it represents C5, and then C6, and then C7. There you are. Now select all of these text box again, go to shape format, go to align bottom, and distribute them vertically and distribute it horizontally. Okay, now go to home tab again, set their color to white, make them bold, and increase their size. That looks pretty cool. And the next thing that we will do, go to again to shape format and group them so they can move together. There we are. That's perfect. Now select this text box area and select this chart area, go to shape format again, go to group section, and then group them all. Now we can move this chart to anywhere we would like and set it to anywhere. Now that's a pretty impressive chart, and whenever our data will change, for example it will change to 70%, it will change to 80%. This will reflect into our text. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.